In this video we are going to see how to make a cup holder or a bottle holder using this box. This one I got from Costco, which comes with the milk cartons or boxes, but you can use any other box that you have. What we need to do is we need to use some sort of glass or any cup that you have, or even a bottle. You can put a cup or a glass on top of this box. You can mark it with a pen or pencil or something like that. And then cut this circle with the help of this cutter. Okay, so now I have 3 holes cut into this box on top of it. So these are of different sizes, as you can see here, and I have kept this portion as is. So we are going to use this as a handle to hold the box, and now we are going to wrap it with a paper, preferably a glossy paper, so that if anything spills on it, like be it any sort of drink, we can wipe it. So we have wrapped the paper as we wrap any gift, and then once you cut this, so we have cut it like a cross here, one line horizontal and one vertical, and then you can fold this inside. Then we can apply this kind of tape to it. Alright, now this is ready, and you can keep your bottles or cups